Welcome back, guys. Quick recap on our caddy conversion. Part 1, we told you why we picked this particular caddy to convert. We found a set of alloy wheels on an internet site for £100 and did a total refurb in part 2. We removed all the decals and all the racking in part 3. So first part of our 4-stage decon. Part 1, we snow foamed all the caddy. This is where your snow foam starts to work. It eats into and loosens any dirt and grime that's been building up on your bodywork or your vertical. Leave it for approximately 10 minutes for it to do its job. When it's dripping like this, that's when it's actually working. We then applied Autosmart's Power HD, which is a strong tar and glue remover. We let this soak for probably 5 minutes, no longer. You can see this eating into the tar straight away, having a reaction straight away. We then scraped away the remains of the tar with a plastic scraper, so not to damage any of the bodywork. We then applied Autosmart's Red 7, which is a contaminant remover. So basically, if your vehicle's been left close to a builder site on a regular basis, it'll pick fragments of concrete and dirt and dust up, which eventually eat into your bodywork, and this helps remove it. Where it finds fragments, it actually turns red. So all the little red speckles you see are all dirt that's embedded into the paintwork, and it's releasing those. Just wipe clean. You may have to wipe a couple of times because this chemical will still keep eating into all your paintwork to get all the debris and dirt out of it. Very, very good deep cleansing product, this. Not for the faint-hearted, this. Watch as you apply this as it onto the concrete. It actually bubbles and it hisses. It's eating into actual concrete. You can't leave this on because it will damage your paintwork. You must wear gloves because it will burn into your hands straight away. And you must have goggles on at all times because, like I say, it's just like an acid. Very, very strong product this, but very good. Back into the workshops. We've removed the floor. Give that a good blasting, good jet blasting. All the side panels, they've all come off. Door panels, bulkheads come out. We've removed the seat. Found a very, very dirty floor under there. The bumpers have both been removed. The front and back bumper have been removed. We're sending them away. They're going to be painted and refitted when we've got them back from the paint shop. So there we have the inside of the van, thoroughly clean. Okay, ready for the rebuild now. So we've actually put on the vehicle the wheels that we refurbed earlier that we told you about.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will.
Please like, share and subscribe. Click the bell to watch our future videos.